New from the NBC 10 team, even though his suspension is over, an embattled Providence police officer cannot come back to work, at least not yet. The city of Providence wants to fire Sergeant Joseph Hanley for roughing up a suspect. Good evening, everyone. Good to have you with us. I'm Patrice Wood.
I'm Gene Valicenti. The I-Team's Brian Crandall follows up on a win for the city in court, at least today. Brian?
Yeah, a win just in this latest round. A police conduct review panel, as we previously reported, decided in June that Sergeant Hanley would be suspended 45 days instead of being fired as the city wants. The city filed a court appeal. This afternoon, a judge ruled Hanley will stay out of work and won't get paid as that appeal continues. 2 weeks after his suspension ended, Providence Police Sergeant Joseph Hanley remains out of work, as he has been for nearly 5.5 years. That's when he was seen on video making this arrest and was accused of using excessive force on a handcuffed suspect. Hanley was criminally charged with assault, and after 2 previous trials, he pleaded no contest to the misdemeanor charge last December. The city wants to fire Hanley, and with the criminal case over, a law enforcement officer's Bill of Rights hearing panel took up that case earlier this year. The panel decided Hanley should be suspended 45 days, claiming that was consistent with similar cases involving Providence police officers, and that was the city's initial planned punishment of Hanley. But the panel argued the case got politicized after George Floyd's death at the hands of police in Minnesota. The city still wants to fire Hanley, though, and filed an appeal in court.
If we are going to do this job, we have to do it in the right manner.
Hanley wants his job and pay back. The city was in court today arguing that Hanley should stay out of work as the appeal case continues, and the judge agreed. Hanley's lawyer:
"We're disappointed."
The judge said today the city has a strong appeal case, which is based largely on a technicality. Hanley testified at his review board hearing without providing prior notice to the city that he would, which is against the rules.
Well, we just have a difference of opinion on that.
And the city claims Hanley's testimony at the hearing was wrongly damaging to their case.
And his testimony infected the outcome because for the first time the city heard him testify that he allegedly was offered a 45-day suspension.
Well, the city claims it knows of no such initial offer of that suspension to Hanley. And again, the review panel based part of its decision on that claim of an initial 45-day suspension instead of firing him. The judge is expected to decide the city's full appeal in the coming months. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.